Magandang gabi. Narito na ang 9 p.m. Lotto Result. Araw ng Biyernes, September 27, 2024. Sa 2D Lotto 9 p.m. draw. 9 and 17 in exact order. Sa 3D Lotto 9 p.m. draw. 7, 0, and 3 in exact order. Sa 4D Lotto, ang winning numbers ay 6, 8, 5, and 2 in exact order, with the first prize of 42,004 pesos. At ito naman po ang breakdown ng 4D Lotto, second prize and third prize for your corresponding numbers. Sa Mega Lotto 645, ang winning numbers ay 12, 13, 37, 39, 25, and 21 in any order, with a jackpot prize of 76,208,555 pesos and 80 centavos. Sa Ultra Lotto 658, ang winning numbers ay 11, 8, 29, 58, 30, and 53 in any order, with a jackpot prize of 203,862,165 pesos and 20 centavos. Abangan natin bukas sa Lotto 642 na may estimated jackpot of 8 million. Sa Grand Lotto 655 na may estimated jackpot of 29 million. Lotto draw schedule ngayong Sabado. Easy to Lotto, Suertres Lotto, 6D Lotto, Lotto 642 at ang Grand Lotto 655. Panoorin natin ang live broadcast every 2 p.m., 5 p.m. at 9 p.m. Maraming salamat po. Huwag niyo pong kalimutan na mag-like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell.